Make the ground shake.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Justin here, bringing you guys another YouTube video today. This is going to be my second video today. I brought you guys one earlier. I did 30 pro packs, and I got 2 elites out of them. I got a throwback Paul Pierce, and I got a Hassan Whiteside on a 2-way team. I'm going to bring you guys a 250k plus pro pack opening. I'm excited to get into this video. I want to get a couple elites. So here, let's get started into the video. Jalil Okafor and the finest collectible. First, we got. Oh, let's go! Let's go! Second pack again. Chris Paul. Today's been an amazing pack opening day for me. Second pack again. In the last video, in the second pack, I got Paul Pierce. Let's go. Alrighty, 2 packs in. And Andrew Wiggins. And Jared Sullinger. Rudy Gobert. 2 finals collectibles. Bradley Beal. Ron Baines, a global player. Another Andrew Wiggins. Patrick Beverly. Finest collectible, Victor Oladipo. Paul Gasol. Jameer Nelson, finest collectible. 23 more packs to go. Got Chris Paul already. Reggie Jackson. Not gonna make our coins back so far yet, but if we get another elite, a good elite, it might be a good turnout. Kevin Love. Dwight Howard. Another finest collectible and a Kenneth Faried. 17 more packs to open. Trying to get at least another elite here. A Greg Monroe again. And a Paul George impact player. Not what I'm looking for. Pau Gasol again. Got a lot of 80s and above this pack. Tobias Harris. 13 packs left. Marc Gasol. Another Reggie Jackson and another Michael Conley impact player. They're just trying to troll me now. Bias Mac and another finals collectible. And today they did come out with the throwback LeBron James. I want to get him. Harrison Barnes, another finals collectible. 8 packs left. Haven't got an elite in a long time. Come on, red paint right here. Jordan Clarkson. Tony Parker. 5 packs left, guys. Lineup master. Alex Len. 3 packs left. Come on, another elite. Of course, another impact Kevin Love. Not what I want. I wanted the elites. Kenneth Faried, another finals collectible. Last pack. Just gonna hit reveal all. And Enes Kanter and Kyle Korver. Let's see. I think I could trade in some finals collectibles. Alright. another Kevin Love two-way team. Not a bad pack opening. Let's take a look at who we got. We got a Chris Paul, Al Horford, Marc Gasol, two Pau Gasols, two Kevin Loves, a lot of 80s players. 70, and we got Enes Kanter, Victor Oladipo. We got a lot of gold players, a lot of silver players. Not a bad pack opening. It's pretty successful. If you guys want more, comment down below. Subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram will be below in the description. And thanks for watching.